Today which one we want to do? I'm refreshing the page. Actually today indicator better. Once let me refresh the time and date. Come on. For every 10 to 15 minutes I am refreshing the time and date website. Today March 10th. Today actually I didn't place any orders in ShareCon account. Just I placed only one account in ShareCon. Because of I don't know why it didn't take any orders today. It didn't accept orders. Nifty 25 cents above 100. Okay. Actually, this is my another account which I have traded sometimes is Upstocks. Only one trade executed out of 9 companies. That Mathusumi only executed with that 600 profit. All these are remaining companies. All are in pending state. Only one company executed. All these are pending. I think I placed 11 companies. Out of 11, 2 companies rejected due to insufficient funds. So only one company executed Mathusumi. On that we have 620. And we have another account is called Angel Broking. Is my another account. Yes, here also you can see the time and date below Angel Broking here my client ID and date and time. Refreshing the page. Actually today in Hindi Petro I think gives better profit today. Actually I have 5 accounts. Yes, but maintaining 5 accounts is not an easy job. Today I am placing in 2 companies, 2 accounts to maintain. We need to swap from one application to another application, so that it is very difficult sometimes. If it is going cool, then okay, but it is not going cool, then we have to Mathusumi. Actually today Mathusumi started with I think it goes up to 1000 minus side. Again it will come turn into profit side. Yeah, after Indipetro, Ashok I think it is in Ashok today gives 3 points. Indipetro 6 points. Better don't go with Indipetro today always. Because if already Indipetro reaches its high level, so don't go for it. Rishi LTD 1 point, MLM 1 point, Ashok 3 points. For the last 1.5 hour, market is moving from 7,000 to 8, 7K to 8, 7K to 8. Yesterday also, you know what happened, up to 2 o'clock it's going smooth. Excuse me. After 2 o'clock immediately it's going very slow. But before 2 o'clock itself, I squared up all my companies. When I sent you mail yesterday, actually I didn't see your mail. I think you sent me 3 days back. Yesterday only I saw it, so that immediately I replied you. Now you can check it out once. many which time you are observing? Not particular time. Actually, I started at 9 o'clock. I started the market at 9 o'clock. At what time I will close my trading? Up to that, I am monitoring the system continuously. Because of while trading, you have to be careful. Otherwise, only 1 minute is enough to your profit turn into the loss. So that we shouldn't leave the system. If 1 o'clock close, then I left my lapping. Sometimes we have to wait up to 3 o'clock also. The day before yesterday, I waited up to 3 o'clock, right? Like that. Sometimes we have to wait up to. And I think tomorrow is holiday due to its own Shivaratri, maybe. I need to check it out on the website. I think Shivaratri is a public holiday, so that tomorrow may not available. Tomorrow I think it's a holiday. Let's see. We need to check it out on the NSE India website. Yeah, actually, I have been waiting to the session. If I reach 20 points, I just want to close. But it's moving very slow. So 7 to 8K it is moving for last 1.5 hour onwards. To go for 1 second. 1 minute. You may get bored by showing this, but it's needed sometime. I'm refreshing my share count once. Let me see Nifty 22. Sensex a little bit down. Before that it's 100 above now. In other stocks, only one Motherson executed with 600. So in angel broking, if I get 9,000 plus, I can close it out. This is the angel broking gap. Don't confuse. I swapping 3 accounts so that you may get confused. This is the angel broking. I'm again refreshing the page. Today in angel broking, more companies executed. In Upstocks, only one company executed. I didn't place any companies in share count because it didn't take any orders today. One says only I kept there. So in Upstocks, 600 profit, right? In this angel broking, if I get more than 9,000, better to close because 9,295 plus 600. 10K means 20 points. 500. Today I placed 500 quantity, right? So that 500 into 20. Better to close it. Last 1.5 hour onwards, only 7 to 8 goes. Oh, Nifty goes down. Sensex also goes down from 100 to 78. It is going down. Let it be go. Still, all these are in pending state in Upstocks. Out of 10 companies, only one company executed. Remaining 9 companies or 7 companies are in pending state. 2 companies are rejected due to funds. I think they won't execute it today. Matatsumi, it is also moving from 500 to 600, 500, 600. Yeah, it's better to close 1 minute, guys. If it is reaches in upstocks 600 profit, right? Here if I get to 9.4, better to close because of 20 points reaches today. The unnecessarily unwarranted to waiting more time, better to close. If it is reaches 9.4, I will close and I will come on to the WhatsApp in 5 minutes. Guys, let me wait for 9.4. Once 9.4 is reaches, I just want to close. Yeah, what's the time? Okay. Yeah, 9.4 reaches. Oh, again goes to 9.1. If market is not predictable, then better to close with 10 points, 15 points. Don't wait for so long. If you can predict the market, then if you have a faith on the market confidently, then you can wait up to at your target. Actually, yesterday I didn't expect that it goes up to 65 points, but I closed at 40 points. Once I closed, later it goes up to 65 points. Yesterday market was very good, very excellent, but I closed with 40 points. Just 5 seconds back, I just want to close the screen sharing. Otherwise, to square off all my positions, I need to enter the password. The password will expose it to all the people while I am uploading YouTube. So that just 5 seconds back, I close the screen sharing, then I enter the password, then immediately I will square off. Actually, as per my opinion, no one will show the client ID, account number, those information. No one show in public because those are vital information. And one more thing, uh, but I can show because with client ID you can't do anything. If anyone doing fake, then they just hide the client ID. Why unnecessarily hide the client ID? I can't understand. Some of the people commenting me, don't show the client ID like that. If I show the client ID, what happened, I don't know. 8 seconds, I just want to close here. Yeah, I told you that last 1.5 hour onwards it's going very slow moving. So actually today I just wanted to place 700 quantity, but Ashok, yeah, already I saw your message, but I did not replying you as of now. Just I am ready to close the market. That's the reason I am not replying you. Already I saw your message. Don't send repeat your message. I saw you. Just wait for 10 minutes. I am ready to close the market. That's the reason I am not replying you. Yeah, better close here. Okay, guys, I will come on to the WhatsApp in 5 seconds. 5 minutes. Better to close the market here. Thank you so much. I will be on the WhatsApp in 5 minutes. Close. Yeah, I think market is moving forward. Maybe better to wait for. This is called greediness. Actually, once we have to decide for 10 points or 15 points, 20 points, you have to stick on that. Don't go with greediness. Actually, I paid for 20 points. So once it is 9.4 means already I reached the 20 points. Immediately I need to close, but I'm not able to close. So it's called greediness. But no, I am not doing that mistake. Okay, guys, I just want to close here. Thank you. I will be on WhatsApp in 5 seconds. 5 minutes.